it's just a joke, that since you work so much on the openSUSE side, that sometimes it appears that ARM pays you to work on openSUSE, or for a long time I believe that you were a SUSE employee, or openSUSE. So can you talk about the work that you have been doing on openSUSE?
Sure. So I mean, I've been involved with openSUSE before there was such a thing as openSUSE. It was SUSE Linux Pro at the time, and that's how I built up my relationship with a lot of people within SUSE, both from an engineering perspective, marketing, and management. And in some respects, when I first joined ARM, yeah, I was paid to work on openSUSE. And one of those reasons is that openSUSE is the foundation for SUSE Linux Enterprise. And at ARM, we wanted to have support from SUSE on our architecture. So that was, you're kind of correct. It's not entirely false. But my involvement with openSUSE has spanned, like I say, numerous years, numerous initiatives, shall we say. One of the first things I did was just doing some simple packaging and contributing that to the community. So this was before the days of the open build service. So I package up and I have those packages available in a repo hosted on my home machine, whatever else. Open build service comes along, so it's a natural progression to move there. I was one of the alpha testers of SUSE Studio, so before that became public. And I used that to build an openSUSE version of what was MeeGo at the time. I was heavily involved in the GNOME team within openSUSE and helped kickstart or re-kickstart the ARM port within openSUSE, and got voted onto the openSUSE board. Did 2 terms, so I did 4 years as an elected member on the openSUSE board, and then I'm coming up to my 2nd year as an appointed member on the board doing the role of a treasurer.